Okay, let us examine these questions, which is being showcased here. So which bread slices should Sandra use to find out if warm is required for the growth of bread mold? So definitely you must choose one with warm and one without warm. So the answer is very straightforward, right? So it should be bread slice A and C. Okay, the reason because this one remains constant, the number of drops of water, while here, warm is absent. Next to the window sill, because next to the window there's warm, right? So warm is present. So answer is A and C. Okay, next. She observed that the surface area of bread covered with bread mold over 3 days were recorded. So you notice this side, the vertical axis represent the surface area, and this is the number of days. So in other words, line 3 shows that there's no mold at all over the 3 days. So which one observed in bread slice A? Okay, as you notice, bread slice A is in a freezer, right? So answer is line 3. So give the reason. So you must state that for mold to grow, what are the 3 conditions? Warm, oxygen, and moisture. So in a slice A, right, since it is in a freezer, so warm is absent. Okay. So in simpler term, warm is not present. Warm is not present in the freezer. For mold to grow. Okay, you notice this is a 2 marks question, right? So you must state also the conditions needed for the mold to grow. So mold needs warm, moisture, and oxygen. Warm needs for growth. Okay. So mold needs warm, moisture, and oxygen for growth. Okay. So this question is actually adopted from last year's RGPS prelim paper. Okay, let's continue with this. So look at the next question. Okay, when you see this kind of questions, I already told you to annotate the capacity 300. So the container has a capacity of 300. And the amount of water inside is 100. So immediately write down here, left 200. Okay. 300 minus 100 is left 200. So this person is saying he had used 2 identical syringes, so they pump in the air, 50 cm3 of air, one at a time. So that's means he pump in one, then he change another one. So that's means 100 go inside, right? 50 times 2. So what would be the volume of air in the container? So this one is actually a trick question. Answer is still 200 cm cube. cm cube. So you write the cubic centimeter, cm cube. Okay, units are important. Okay, there's no reason required. Just state the capacity of air inside. Okay, the volume. Okay, would the mass of the container increase or decrease, remain the same after pool pump? So answer is increase. Okay, give a reason. So increase. Okay, they say give a reason, right? So you say air is a matter. It has mass. So more air being pumped into the container would increase the mass. Okay. Increase air is a matter, it has mass. So more air being pumped in the container will increase the mass. Okay, next question. Similarly, you can annotate here. Sun give out heat energy, right? Okay. So it says that Siva, right, inflated his boat on a full day, paddle on a, as shown. He was advised not to pump too much air while inflating his balloon, his boat, so that he will feel firm and not hard. It was to prevent the boat from tearing. So these are the keywords. You underline while he was paddling under the sun. Explain why there could be a possible tear in the overinflated boat while paddling under the sun. So the scientific concept is the heat energy from the sun, right, would cause the air inside to gain heat and expand. So when air expand, right, it will increase the volume inside. So this will tear the boat. Okay. So to explain why, right? So we just say that the air in the boat will gain heat from the heat energy from the sun. And expand. And okay, so this one, the air in the balloon will gain heat from the heat energy and will expand. The increase and expand, right? Okay. Okay, the expansion of air, the expansion of air in the boat may cause the overinflated boat to tear because it's made of rubber. Okay, so the keywords are this part. I just highlight to you. The air in the boat will gain heat from the heat energy from the sun and expand. Okay, expansion of air in the boat may cause the overinflated boat to tear. So this is the concept. Okay, so if you get all correct, you will get 3 upon 3. Okay, next questions. Okay, I will pause this before you look at the next question.